Hey, Apex traders, how you guys doing this evening? Or I think it's afternoon still. Yeah, I'm already ready for dinner, ready to go on, move on my day. Been a great day in the markets today. Hopefully you guys had a great day as well. Lots of opportunity. Everybody and their mother was expecting some bullish action today. But initially, to start the day, I had to give you a little bit of whip around. Nothing wrong with that. It is all part of the market fluctuations. Now the question is, will they continue to go ahead and push this higher? And shall we get above 400 in the SPY? We shall see. But as far as these Apex accounts, we had a great green day today. It was actually a pretty good and steadily easy day today. Not much going on. It was quite slow, steady grinding action, which makes great setups for our 2-bar plays, which is what we ended up trading today. Actually caught a great trade to the short, and last night, not in these Apex accounts, but last night caught a nice long trade as well. So let's go ahead and do a quick chart review, and we'll go through the trades go through both of the trades, each and every single one, and talk about them in detail. Let's go ahead and take a look. Sorry, it was a little, my eyes were distracted. I thought another setup was coming in, but all right, let's pull up the chart and take a look. All right, so this is today's trade. So if you saw Friday, Friday we didn't get a chance to put out the video. We actually got caught up in some meetings and then left work. So let's do a quick catch up on Friday. Friday, right here, we tried our 2 yellow bar play, which is starting from this bar. Second bar here, got stopped out, waited, bar number 1, bar number 2, right here, got stopped out, and then caught a very nice trade on this. Was unable to hold through the big late major rally on Friday, unfortunately. We're taking some conference calls, and we were a little bit busy at this time. And after already being stopped out, was not too heavy on the trigger. So ended up clearing on the day, I believe it was 4,000. Friday was like 4,900, 4,500, something like that, in the big Apex account on Friday. And then in the rest of the accounts were actually red because we got stopped out here and we did not trade this move in the other accounts. So that was quite unfortunate. If you guys have been tracking these videos, and then on Friday, the small account challenge, that one was red 1,600. So actually took a little bit of a larger hit there than we would have liked. That account is now at, here, I'll pull that up. Here we go. That's this one here. If you guys remember, we were close to 6,000 on this one. So took a 1,600 hit on this one on Friday. Green today, 250. This one was, I believe this one was like a $500 red, something like that. So this one puts us just below on these two accounts. This was our 25K account we were close to. That one took a pretty good hit as well. About $800 hit on that one. Again, a little bit outsized. So that's unfortunate for Friday for those. And then here is our Apex 300K account that we are currently doing to get funded. This is the one that's already funded. So today, 2025 on that one. And Friday was like 4,500 or 4,900, something like that green. But just the other accounts, quite unfortunate that those 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts were red. Although the amount was not much, still, those are smaller accounts. I want to see those with steady growth. So that's unfortunate. Let's go back to the chart. But that's where those two stop outs came in from before the move actually finally occurred. And we went ahead and missed on the big rally there. Then Sunday night, last night, we had this big opening gap up occur. Once that gap up occurred, we went ahead and ran our models right around here. We were waiting for more closes. We got more closes up here. And then we started to discuss with the members that we're going to have a 2 yellow bar setup right about in here. We went ahead, jumped in the chat room. This was like 8 p.m. at night. And our models picked up this 39.1350. Okay, this 39.1350 was the key make or break in the overnight action. If in the overnight we would have dropped below this, we would have seen a much worse day today. But we did not, and look what actually ended up happening. So we actually took this long trade. This was about 2 a.m., 3 a.m., something like that. So we went ahead and set limit orders in the zone, set a stop at 39.08, and went ahead and took this trade. Look how that beautifully that 39.1350 held in the overnight hours. Okay, not a coincidence. Went ahead and when we woke up this morning, sold that right here, and was looking for more of that out of the open. Did not get the full rally that we were looking for, at least in the way we had it planned, right? And we were looking for a gap up, push, hold, and continue to push. Did not actually retraced back downward, and it looked like we were going to fail this 39.1350. So went ahead and took a short position here. This was the first trade of the day. Went ahead and took a short position. I believe it was right in here was the first entry. No, we added back into it. So actually it was coming up in here against this secondary line, 39.1775. Took a short, covered a lot of the position, held through this upward move. Once we added back up here, put our average way up here. We got, I believe, 2 adds through here. And then on this downturn right here, took profits. And then the next candle went ahead and stopped us out. Our stop was at 39.3725. So that was about I think it was $1,300 day so far up until this point. Then we just waited, went ahead and started to discuss with the members what the setups was looking like. We had our first yellow bar, so we were looking to see if that 39.1350 was going to break, and we would get our second yellow bar down in this zone somewhere. We did not. Actually, price ended up pushing higher, and we did get a very, very nice orange bar setup. We actually jumped on the live room. Everybody was able to watch this one live. So this was a great, great day today for the members. We had our first bar here, and then our data set populates. Once that populates, it gives you your thresholds of what to work with, which is, think of it like an intermediary range, which is this 2 lines here. And as soon as we got this orange bar right here, we were discussing the whole setup live with the members, got the orange bar, and we went ahead and took a short position there. Took some profits right there, and set up our stop that we use. Right there, just like so. You can see it's still established. Okay, so took profits. That put us, at that point in time, I think it was like 2,500 or so on the day. Held through this retracement right here. We started to see that it went up, pushed, and did not print our red line, which is our stop, and went ahead and came back down. We're like, okay, should be good to go. But nope, the very next candle came up and pushed through the red line. That is the stop on the trade. Per the rule set that we trade, you can take a re-entry at the purple structure line if you would like. In this case, we did not. We went to lunch. So after this trade, just as it was finishing up right here, said, all right, our stop is in. We're going to go ahead and go to lunch. Went to lunch, came back from lunch right around here. But we were able to discuss that this was a possibility of what would occur with the members if this was going to come up and touch that purple line and fail from there. So that went ahead and made for a great, great setup as well. But we were away at lunch, so did not take that one. Outside of that, nothing else has occurred. Still fighting this intermediary range. We'll end up seeing if SPY gets that 60-minute close above. That's about 15 minutes away from now or so. So if that does, then we'll see price up in here towards 4,000 on the E-mini. So not a bad day. Overall, great trade. Great way to start the week. Glad to see that account growing. We are not too far off from getting that second 300K account funded now. As soon as we get that funded, then we'll start trading the 2 accounts side by side simultaneously in the live performance accounts for you guys all to see. And now we still have about another 3 weeks, I believe, for the 25K accounts in the Apex funded program. So we should be able to get those funded from here then, and we'll go ahead and have 5 funded accounts. Should be nice for all of you on YouTube and watching these videos. Should be nice to see the possibilities of all the accounts, especially when you catch them on sale like we did. Remember last week they had the 80% off sale? Currently they are running a 50% off sale. So for those of you who were not able to catch the sale, just go ahead and use our code at MATH50 if you want to get 50% off any of the Apex products. Still, even with 50% off, it is a great, great value, guys. Don't have to risk your own capital. You can risk a fund's capital. And go ahead and trade with our systems, our J9 services, the day-to-day analysis, and our trades. So it makes for a great combination. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this content, and hopefully you guys had a great day today. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and comment down below. Give us some feedback on these, how you're liking them, what more you want to see out of this. If you want us to start talking about some of our stock trades as well, some of our options trades, anything of that sort. Other than that, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you. Bye, guys.